In the golden age of motorsport, a new breed of car emerged, lightweight, nimble, and designed for pure driving pleasure. Today, we celebrate a legend, the 1957 Porsche 356A T1 Speedster. This wasn't your average Porsche. The T1 Speedster was a stripped-down, lightweight version of the 356A, built for pure performance and an exhilarating open-air driving experience. Under the hood, you'd find a modest but feisty 1.6-liter flat-4 engine. But don't let the size fool you. The lightweight design allowed for a thrilling driving experience, making this car a favorite among enthusiasts. Lightweight construction for superior handling, convertible top for open-air thrills. A true driver's car, focused on performance and connection. Climb inside, and you're transported back to a time of pure driving. No complex infotainment systems here. Just you, the open road, and the raw connection to the machine. Owning a 1957 Porsche 356A T1 Speedster isn't just about having a car. It's about owning a piece of automotive history. It's a symbol of a bygone era of motoring passion, a reminder of the joy of a simple, pure driving experience. The 1957 Porsche 356A T1 Speedster is more than a car. It's a symbol of freedom, speed, and a simpler time in motoring. It's a reminder that the most thrilling rides can come in the most unexpected packages. Thanks for joining me on this epic ride in the T1 Speedster. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more thrilling content, and I'll see you in the next adventure.